Now this paste don't ever come out by itself, so I'm going to show y'all a trick. Something I discovered after I made my beef enchilada soup. You remove both lids. Now remember, that's the bottom lid. Leave the top lid on it. Get you a pepper shaker or salt shaker or whatever, and push on that lid and watch. See that? And here's what the inside looks like. It's pretty clean. And I can clean it even more with my sprayer. There you go. See, cleaning the can out this way is a lot easier and safer than using your fingers, because you can cut a finger on these sharp edges. That ain't going to happen if you use a spray bottle. I didn't get my pepper shaker very dirty. It's going to wipe off real easy. It ain't a big deal.